Alright, I told everybody I would, so here is a kind of a full go through on a brake job. It is a 13 Hyundai Sonata. Front pads, front rotors, front calipers. Calipers are locking up, so it's a little bit easier of a job. I'll kind of walk everybody through it here. So, first thing I'm going to do, if you're squeamish, don't look away. I'm pinching off the hose. We'll get, it looks like a 10 or an 11. We'll get that hose off there. So you get a bucket. $11 it is. Heavy Milwaukee side impact. Get that bad boy out of there. Have all your fluid completely miss your bucket. That's how it goes. Get that hose tucked up down here out of the way. There we go. 17's in the back. So instead of taking the actual caliper bracket off, I am going to just zip out the whole caliper on the bracket itself. A little Milwaukee here, 17 mil. Oh yeah, see it coming off of there like that. Look at that right now. Ain't dry. There's the caliper. Straightener into a bucket. Alright, as we all can see, the hold down screws are already been snapped off by somebody in the rotor, so I don't have to attack those. Grab your hammer. Ooh, rusty. Everybody can see. Alright, can't leave it like that. So you gotta prep it up. I'm gonna break out my computer, clean it all up. I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, hub's all cleaned up, except for really right around the rotors there. Grab old faithful. Put in there all nice and deep black. Those are all buzzed off. Can't forget about our best friend here. Look at this brake clean. All that rust off of there. There we go. Let it dry for all of 10 seconds and we break out the fluid film. or NECs, whatever you got, something on the back of here to help the corrosion. Give it a couple squirts. So we don't want rotors sitting on there all cattywampus and having a ton of run out. I'll go over to the bench and build a caliper after we hang up the rotor. Make sure your screws, or what used to be screws, are in the adjacent home they look to be. That one sits on there pretty good, but I usually grab a axle nut and a lug nut and just kind of tighten it up. Hold her on there, so when you go to put the rotor on, you're not fighting. Over at the bench, bad boys are a 14. And get them out of there. Nice walkie stubby impact. I love it. So after I get the caliper off, my first plan of attack is always check the slides if you can get the fucking boot off. Check how lube they are. Actually not too bad in this one, but grab some silly ramic. They're all nice and lubed. Of course, just doing with the boot, so you gotta give her a little wiggle, get her in there. You wanna make sure there's no air in the actual caliper itself. So you kind of want to hold the boot down, push all the air past it. Make sure she slides all nice. This one already birthed out the air. This boot's not as tight. Do that one. Yeah, this one doesn't have nearly as much lube on it. Get some silly ramic on there. Clean it all up. Push back out at you, and all full of air, and make a pad drag, right? Next step, you can put brake grease under there, or silly ramic under there, but as of late, I've been using fluid film, just under where the hardware goes. So a liberal amount to keep the rust away. Go back over to the box, because you left your hardware in the box. Grab your hardware. Make sure she's all lined up. Get her all clipped down into place, all nice. Make sure it's all seated in there, right? It's all the way down. Give her a push. Sometimes you're going to use the pick. Get them all down there. I'll do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go back over to the car and we'll put the bracket back on. Grab your bolts, look at them. Make sure the threads aren't all full of shit. You know, this one's a little bit rusty, but they all look good, right? Wash is good. Everything's there. There's not rust all over it. Okay. Put them all. Take your stubby, with your 17, send them in there, not too tight. We're going to come back and torque them out. Oh, you can keep your socket. I'm going to replace the hog ring on this thing, and I've just been too lazy to do so. These are on there. Alright, grab your snappy 3/8 torque wrench. It's a very wide range on these, 58 to 72, so I'm just going to crank them right to 72. Oh, look at that. Oh, Milwaukee was real close. Get in there on that one. Maybe end up stripping off if I can get in there. Yeah, you're gonna have to grab a wrench. This bad boy just a squeak. That's all she's gonna need. Tight. Pads. I know a lot of people debate on this, put lube on the pads, put lube on not. I have not, just because that's how it comes from the factory. But then you want to take your pads and the leading edge, squealer touches the leading edge on these. So on these pads, it's bottom of the back or bottom of the front. And in this case, it's going to be bottom of the back. So they do not fit in the front. Get your pads in there, which I'm coming to the end of the video. Take your silly ramic, put it on the ears, put it on the piston, put your caliper back up there. Torque them to, you know, I think they were in between like 28, 32 foot-pounds or something, or 25 and 32 foot-pounds, and bleed them out. After you tighten the, put the hose on and tighten them up. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think.